Hello and welcome to another video from Seabits Tech. I'm not even sure at this point that this is what I think it is. I think it's my first ever metal cassette, New Old Stock metal cassette, but I've got a bit confused as to what I've ordered and what's been delivered, so it might not be that. I don't even know whether I've got anything to play a metal cassette on. So if it is the metal cassette, I'll have to test my players to find out. Oh yeah, this looks promising. Nothing else of interest. Ooh, it's shiny. I think I paid about £18 for this, including shipping. I've never owned a metal cassette before. So this one is from Japan, I would guess. And look around, look at the packaging, and then we'll get to opening it up. I'd rather have I'd rather buy two and then open one, but the problem is at £18 a pop, it works out quite expensive. So that is it. So I don't know what year this is, not really an expert on these things, but now do I want to keep the packaging in its original condition? That's going to be quite difficult, I think. I think I might be able to do it. I'll zoom in a bit. Obviously I don't want to scratch the box or anything, but if I'm careful with a sharp knife I might be alright. There we go. I'll probably sped that up, but that's the best I can do at not destroying the packaging entirely. Ooh, that looks nice. There's something about opening a new cassette, and something a bit more special like this is better than your average TDK. Okay, let's have a look then. That is very pretty. I shall call you Mickey. If anyone gets that reference, let me know in the comments. That is nice. It's just no nonsense, professional. Well, professional, it's not really professional, is it? Shiny surfaces don't go well with video recorders, video cameras, phone cameras. Yeah, very nice. Sorry about the noise in the background if you can hear it. So these are the normal recesses you get on a normal cassette if it's chrome. So these ones are your Right Protect lugs. So if you want to stop from over taping something, you punch those ones out. These ones here tell the player that it's a chrome cassette, a Type 2 cassette should I say, and you get these ones as well when it's a Type 4 cassette. And that's what this is, screwed shell. Very nice. So let's have a look at the tape. And yep, it's just cassette tape. There we go. Nice and shiny. Look, that is not, that to me, let me have a look so I can see it. There are a few wrinkles in that. Is it just me seeing that? See if I can catch them on camera. You can see them just, if you look there, the edges are slightly wrinkled. It's a brand new cassette. Well, not brand new, it is clearly New Old Stock. Let's have a closer look if we can. Yeah, definitely a bit wrinkled on the edges. I should write to TDK and get a replacement. Do you reckon they'll send me one? That's a bit disappointing, but it looks very nice. So let's have a look at the J card and the cassette case. Oh, I'm doing that the wrong way, aren't I? There we go, that's better. If I can get this done in one take, then it makes it a lot easier for me to edit the video. So there is the back of the stickers. I'll have to do a translate for my own benefit on that. Very nice. And here's the J card. It's funny, isn't it? All the instructions are in Japanese, but the important parts of the J card are in English. Oh, nice. Very nice. So that's it. I'm now going to test and find out whether I've got a cassette recorder, a deck or anything that will automatically detect metal cassettes. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.